Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to send photos on Discord mobile. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your Discord on your phone. So after opening your Discord, now you have to start a conversation with someone. In order to do that, tap on this icon that you can see right here. So after doing so, you will be able to see your friends. Simply just tap on the friend that you want to send the photo to, just like this. And then here you can see a conversation box will open just like this. And in order to send photo, tap on the plus icon that you can see right here. So after tapping on the plus icon here, your gallery will be opened. Now select any photos that you want to send to this person. After selecting the photo, now tap on send button that you can see right here. And now here you can see you have now successfully sent a photo to this person in Discord mobile. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.